Java 3D, How to Create a Simple Cube Slide Game. Part 1. Shooting a Projectile. In this video and the next two videos, I will try creating a simple cube slide game, using only color cubes. First, this video explains how to create a base made of color cubes, a target embedded in the base, and a projectile, and how to shoot the projectile by pressing the space key. Then, in the next video, I'm going to explain how to display the message "Level Clear. Congratulations!" in the console, when the projectile hits the target on the very first space key press. Finally, in the next video, I'm going to explain how to display the message "Level Clear. Congratulations!" in the game window. Source code explanation. Source code links in description. Feel free to use the source code to make your own Java 3D program. Creating a base. 1. In one of the source code files, source code 1, described in the video, simple Java 3D code using shared group, which is the first video of my Color Cube series, Java 3D, the Color Cube series. I've already used the similar code, where color cubes are arranged in 2 rows along the z-axis using the shared group class. In the source code used in this video, in the createBase method, color cubes are arranged in a single row along the z-axis using the shared group class. Also, they are arranged without gaps. Check out the above video, and please compare these 2 pieces of code for yourself. If you are interested in how 3D models are arranged using the class, check out the following videos. How to make one object look many, 540. Java 3D, How to create a simple building and ground in Blender and import them, 915. How to put a downloaded free blend swap model into Java 3D and manipulate it, 459. Java 3D, How to place gondolas local coordinate systems in a ring, 1120. 1a. This line specifies the position of the parent local coordinate system, TG, to which child local coordinate systems, TG-link, are connected. One color cube, but by using the shared group class, looks many, is connected under each child local coordinate system. Therefore, if you move the parent local coordinate system, all the child local coordinate systems and the color cubes move as a single unit. 1b. A cube with a side length of 2.0 is created. Each time the for loop is executed, one child local coordinate system, TG-link, is created, under which a color cube is connected. The value of z is changed between -140.0 and 28.0, and the newly created TG-link is positioned accordingly. If we narrow this range, the base will be shorter. If we widen this range, the base will be longer. If you think the game is too easy for you, you can change the base longer by making -140.0 a larger negative value and placing the target far away. This is the program executed using source code 1, described in the video. 3D models in Java 3D, beginners only, 1, color cube and coordinate systems. Before executing it, change source code 1 a little bit. Let's uncomment this part. And this part. And this part. Now, you can navigate through the scene. Check out the video above. 403 to 510. After starting the program, count to 5 or 6. Then, press the down arrow key to display the entire color cube. Press the left, up, and right arrow keys several times each. Next, press Alt and 9 on the numpad, then Alt and 3. You will see the left side of the color cube is yellow, the top is violet, and the bottom is blue. TG-link is rotated around the z-axis by -1.57 radians, -90 degrees. So the top of the color cube connected to the TG-link is yellow. Since the value of z is increased by 12.0, and the size of each color cube is 12.0. The color cubes are arranged without gaps. 2. Creating a target. 3. The local coordinate system, TG, to which the target color cube is connected is not rotated here. So the top of the color cube is purple. The size of the color cube is 5.0. Position the local coordinate system so that the top of the target color cube is at the same level as the tops of the base color cubes. 4. Creating a projectile. 5. Make these variables global so that they can be accessed from the key-pressed method. Used for coordinate transformations. 6. The local coordinate system, TG, to which the projectile color cube is connected is rotated around the z-axis by -3.14 radians, -180 degrees. So the top of the color cube is blue. The size of the color cube is 2.0. Position the local coordinate system so that the bottom of the projectile color cube is at the same level as the tops of the base color cubes. 7. Shooting a projectile. 8. In the source code described in this video, a projectile is shot when the space key is continued to be pressed. I used the key-pressed method on purpose, even though we can do the same thing using the key-typed method. The reason why I used the key-pressed method is that, in the next video, in the key release method, I'd like to write code to count the number of times the space key is released, and stop the color cube from moving if the key is released more than once, which allows us to create a one-shot game. Each time you press the space key, the key-pressed method is executed. If you continue to press the space key, the key-pressed method is continued to be executed. Each time the key-pressed method is executed, the local coordinate system, TG, moves by -2.0, and the projectile color cube connected to TG moves accordingly. In this source code, nothing is written in the key-released method, so you can press the space key as many times as you would like to move the projectile color cube. In the source code, nothing happens when the projectile cube is on the target cube, or when it moves off the base cubes. I will fix these issues in the next video, so please don't miss it. Running the program in Eclipse. Hold down the space key. Use the arrow keys to move around to the right side of the base color cubes. Hold down the up arrow key. Hold down the right arrow key. Hold down the up arrow key. Hold down the left arrow key. Press the space key. Hold down the space key. Press the space key. Press the right arrow key. Hold down the up arrow key. Hold down the space key. Thank you for watching my video. On my homepage, New Google Sites, I divided my how-to videos into groups so that you could find what you were looking for more easily. If you are interested in it, please visit the site. Links in description. Visit my channel to see more videos.